What is up, guys? Today I'm actually going to be doing something that I normally wouldn't do, but I'm going to because I was on YouTube the other day and I was watching videos of the slime challenge, blindfolded slime challenge. And I wanted to do that challenge because they got a lot of likes from doing that. So what I'm going to be doing is the blindfolded slime challenge. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I will have all of these things all mixed up and my blindfold on in 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I have my blindfold on and we just mixed all these things up, so let's get started. I need the glue. I found the glue. I'm scared. I need my mixing tool. Okay. Now I need food coloring. I hope I get like a blue. Okay. Or a purple. Mix these up. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. Hopefully I don't get a green or yellow. Or red. I guess that would work. Ow. Now where's my mixing tool? That's very coloring. Okay, here's the slime, not slime yet, but like the glue. I'm so scared that I got a green or a yellow one. I don't want either one of those. Okay, I need the shaving cream. This is shaving cream. Yeah, it is. Where's my bowl? Okay. Well, I need the baby oil. That was the glue lid. Found it. Okay. Now I need my mixing. If I can find it. Found it. Is there any shaving cream in it? Oh yeah, there's shaving cream in it. Okay. I don't want to look. Ew. It just feels like glue. But it'll be all it feels like. Okay, so I hope I didn't get a green. Okay, I'm just gonna close my eyes. I can't have that blindfold. I'm so scared that I got a green. I'm gonna add more food coloring. Just in case that I got a green. Or yellow. Because I don't want a green or a yellow. I really want a blue or a red. Okay, where's the shave cream again? Oh, there's baby doll. Okay, that was a fail, but I'm just going to redo this challenge because, first of all, this is a gray, and I didn't want a gray. I was so sad. I'm so sad. Okay, but I'm going to go clean up real fast, and I am going to be redoing the video, and yeah, so. Okay, now I have everything, cleaned. So now I'm going to be doing the blindfolded slime challenge after my mom mixes all of these things up. So I will see you then. Okay, she mixed all of these things up, and since I don't want to wear the blindfold, I'm just going to keep my eyes closed, and I won't open them. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, I need the glue. The glue. Where's my bowl? Found my bowl. I got enough glue, I think. Hopefully. Okay, now I need the food coloring. This is my color. Oh, I can see the sun still. I hope it's blue. Okay, now I need my mixing it too. I hope it's like a dark blue. Okay. I'm gonna get more of the food coloring. Yeah, okay. Don't want to use too much. Hope it's a dark blue. So now I need the baby oil. Found the baby oil. Okay, mix it in. Okay, I think it's mixed enough. Now I need the shaving cream. Just the shaving cream. Oh, wrong way. Hopefully there's actual shaving cream in it. Doesn't feel like it, so what I'm going to be doing is adding more, I think, if it even makes it into my bowl. It feels really thick, but it's really sticky. So I'm going to add more shaving cream. Okay, hopefully that's enough. I don't want to make it too fluffy, of course, because now I have to add more fake coloring. Even if I had really dark slime. See, this is what my slime looks like so far. And if you guys are new to my channel and you're wondering why I'm not putting in any activator, if you go watch my first, not my first slime video, but the one that says slime part 1, I think, you would know that I don't need activator. Because it's the shaving cream that activates. Okay, I'm just gonna get whatever it is out of the bowl and mix it in. So I'm gonna put this back in the wall and like get over it. It feels really nice. Okay, and then after this, I'm going to like play with it and give you guys some ASMR. Okay, I really hope it's blue. Actually, I want it red, but if it's not red, I'm gonna be so sad, but also like happy, but not happy. Okay, so I'm going to open up my eyes now. Oh my gosh, that's awesome, and I didn't really even make a mess. This is my slime, guys. It's a really, really pretty blue. And guys, don't be like, oh my gosh, she cheated, or something like that, because I didn't. Because what's the point of cheating if you're by yourself? I mean, like, why would I do? Okay, so now I'm gonna move the glue, and this is what my bottle looks like. My area isn't even that messy. Like, it has some shaving cream and stuff on it, but like not really messy at all. So I just added some baby oil to make it super soft. Because if you guys don't know, you could add baby oil to fix your slime also. In a long time, I'm going to do a video, and I'm going to try to create iceberg slime so I can try to fix it. But iceberg slime without foam. So, yeah. Okay, so this is my finished product. It looks exactly like my logo. So I think I'm going to add a little bit more food coloring, but I used a lot. Let me tell you, I used. It used to be full, and now it's like down to there. It's like, I didn't want to use so much, but I really wanted a dark blue slime. So all I added was 3 little drops. And plus, it would have been darker, but the shaving cream lightened it up because it's white. That looks really cool. It's like a dark blue, but also a light blue. Alright. So I've been promising to do an detailed room tour, but I've just been really like busy and stuff, making slime and stuff, so I just didn't really get the time to do that, because I have to like clean out my room a little bit to tell you guys what's around it. But I'm not one of those people that like keeps their room like the way it is, because you want to make a nice appearance to people, because if you don't, then everybody will judge you and stuff. But I'm not a mean type person. Like, I don't like to be mean about that stuff. Like, if people do a video like that, and yeah, then I don't judge them, okay? If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and bye.